What is up, guys and girls of YouTube? It is your boy Justin Omoe, and in this video I want to show you guys and girls pretty much music theory. Well, this section is going to be memorizing the keys on the keyboard. But first, let's learn the letters of music. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. That's the only letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then it goes back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Or C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. On the keyboard, there are two different sections that you should look at. Not the black and the white keys, no. The 3 and the 4. So you see the 3 white keys, 4 white keys. Notice that there's no black keys in between these two sections, the 3 and the 4. The first note on the left of the 3 keys, which is the 3 keys here, the first note on the left, that is a C note. So remember that. You have to get used to it. And then pretty much from there, extending to the left is going to count letters up. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then back to C. Like I said, we wrap around. If we go backwards, it's C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. As for the 4 part, right here, F is going to be the first one. F, F, F. Right there. F in the chat. F, G, A, B. F, G, A, B. F, G, A, B. F, G, A, B. So now we should understand all the whole notes here. We could say E, F. We could say A. We could say D. D again. D, 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 and D. Right there. G, G, F, E, E, C, A, B. The more you memorize this, the easier it'll become for you to remember the whole letters on the scales. Now, what about these black keys right here? These are never going to be whole letters. So it's never going to be a C or a D or a F or a G. It has to have a notation to it. Either it's called F sharp or G flat. Yeah, weird, right? Pretty much the easy way to remember this is start with the letter F. Are you going up half a step? You're going to make it a sharp F sharp. F sharp. If you're at G and you're going back, G flat. Okay? Now, how do we know when a letter is considered a F sharp or G flat? Truth be told, all these keys have 2 different names. So this right here, B, it's also known as a C flat. So C, C flat. Or B to B sharp. B sharp is also a C. Now, when do we call it a B sharp or a F sharp or G flat, whatever it may be? That depends on the scale that you are working with, which I'll let you guys and girls know in possibly the next section. But just know that these keys, black keys, are never going to be whole letters. So yeah, this is the 12 keys in music that you should remember. Well, they're always going to be there. Just remember the white keys are always going to have a whole lettering. So C, D, F, G, A, B. And the black keys are never going to have a whole letter. So it can't be C, D, E, F, G, A, B. It's going to be C sharp, D sharp, whatever it may be. In the next video, we're going to go over something called the order of sharps and order of flats to be able to memorize these scales. So take the rest of this day or part of it to memorize these keys on the keyboard. Just remember the 3 part, the 4 part, and you should be good. All right, thank you guys and girls for listening. It's your boy Justin Omoe, and with that being said, peace. I'm out, and please have yourselves a damn good one.